so bad at darts?
You need some aimbot.
No. Me. Dang it.
I'm just gonna wait. Oh.
Ow. Your turn.
Okay.
I heard there's going to be a zombie apocalypse in a year.
How did they know that?
I do not know. They probably
Okay.
had a time traveler.
Oh. Oh, 20 points.
Yeah.
Oh, 17. 37 points in total. Nice.
A year later. A few hours before.
Nah, it's not gonna be my weapon to fight.
I have to go build the...
Axe.
That's the mine stuff.
We could also use a weapon.
Okay, but I'll be the builder. Can you collect all metal materials? Finally collects 128 metal. Pass me it. I'm gonna put it in my inventory.
Okay.
/ pockets. Dang! Zombie apocalypse.
Let's get ready to fight.
God, put metal up at the door.
Metal up. Metal up.
At the front
Sorry.
door.
You guys excited for the hockey game?
Yeah.
Metal at the door. Metal at the front door. Metal. Gotta make walls. Wall with door.
Yes, the puck drops in September. Ryan's gonna get home, change, do his thing.
Guys. Gotta.
To the base. To the base.
Wall with door. Wall with door made of metal. Wall with door made of metal. Wall with door made of metal. Wall with door made of metal.
Wallless door made of metal.
Yeah. We got the fire alarm for protection.
We hear, and then wait.
Wait. Do you hear metal breaking?
heard
metal
glass-
sparking?
I heard a glass break.
I hear sparks.
You do?
Yeah.
Huh. 3 minutes in. I hope you like our video. Please like and subscribe if you made it this far.
I can buy over an entire.
Fender.
I can buy over an entire building with $20.
Nice. Help
That's
me.
abandoned. Wait, I don't see any zombies. You're hitting here.
Now I'm hearing sparks.
Open the pink drink. Zombies!
Fire.
Oh wait, this was actually bleach.
I should dissolve them.
Wait. Did you forget that the door it's made of metal and you just almost broke metal?
Well, I also got some zombies.
Random flying object hits the fire alarm, causing it to go off.
Everything look.
Now where did I last put the panel?
Look what I found.
Wait, I forgot the key. The key, inserted. Reset.
I'm gonna fend off some more zombies. The metal broke. Quick! The metal broke.
I'm just gonna leave the keys in the alarm.
Go quick. I'm gonna fend them off.
I got a revolver.
It's holding up.
Oh wait, turn that off. I think you broke metal. I got shoot it?
I need to refill.
There's
Cover
over.
me.
Get rid of him.
You're an ammo. I'll cover you.
Revolver. Come on, revolver. Great. Well, that's done.
I that ammo.
Great. I don't know if we'll survive this. I have to
Dang it.
reload.
Yeah, me too. Sword, sword, sword. This will cover us.
Reloading.
Builds a fence. Okay.
He built a fence. I'm back in ammo. Gotta test if it works. Fine, the ammo works. We are gonna
Reload. Cover me. Well, yeah.
6-minute video. I hope you made it this far.
I'm reloading. Cover me.
Alright, gotta get rid of them. Oh wait, you forgot you have to put 1 billion ammos in there.
I already did.
Not trying to set off a fire alarm.
I'm getting a free massage.
Out of ammo. You're out of ammo. Oh wait, and we're out of ammo.
We only have one more weapon left.
At least I still have some spares.
Do you have any that'll fit my weapon?
No, they're all revolver ammo. Wait, what else do I have in here?
Whoa.
Oh wait!
Looks like I'm cooked.
Wait, no we aren't. I found a combat knife. Dibs. I found a combat knife. A little
I found a sword. Dibs.
combat knife.
Don't you still have some ammo?
My ammo is I had to switch to this. This is the closest we are ever able to get.
My thing has a bar, so if it fills up, I'll get power mode.
Wait.
Come on.
Wait, I know how to charge up this. Where's lightning? Charged up. Now I have control of lightning. I don't know why. It's like Force Hammer.
I cleared a path,
Wait.
and my bar's full.
Better keep the keys on me.
I killed half the population of zombies.
Oh, wait. Did you forget the zombies are biting more people? I got a combat knife. 9 minutes video. Hey, wait. Move out. I can do this.
I'm using my bar's full. I'm using another one of my packs.
Ching! Ching! We gotta find survivors to help us.
Survivors.
Hello? Wait,
Found a survivor.
come, bruh.
I found a survivor.
Come on.
Yeah. What do you see?
Going down to the bunker. Oh, wait.